Look, we're on video now. Hi.
Hi.
This is Eric.
Hi. I'm making cookies.
We're making cookies. Look how delicious that looks.
I'm the resident baker. Worked in a bakery for 1.5 years.
Did you really?
I did. It was a terrible, horrible experience.
Really?
Oh no.
What was a bakery?
Hi.
Like a sandwich shop, and the woman was like 70.
Grandma.
And
Hi, Grandma.
everything was just had to be done her way. It was really bad.
Ooh, Cheeto. Cookies.
Cookies.
Andres.
Oh my god, my glasses on.
Yes, you do. You look lovely. Okay, so now we're making cookies, and then we have pizza. Doesn't look good. We kind of burned a little. That's okay. And yeah, this will be my first YouTube video.
Really?
Ooh.
Awesome. I forgot you had a YouTube.
He's got
I
it.
remembered that awesome conversation we had.
Oh yes, you have a fox.
Awesomeness. I do. I do have a fox.
And now I'm turning off the video, and we're going to finish making cookies. So goodbye. This is Max. And now we're going. Goodbye.